Hello my crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. And today I am continuing and I'm going to make a card with the images that I stamped and colored while we were on our trip. So let's get started. These are the pieces that I colored as we were going on our trip. This one didn't turn out very well, but then I got all the dies, and so I'm going to be cutting that out. So here are all the cutouts of my kitties and friends, and I'm going to be using a store-bought card base. That's one of my goals, to use up all my store-bought card bases. And this was a scrap. This is the botanical butterflies from Stampin' Up. I'll be using this side. And I used my rectangle square die to stamp and cut out this. It's going to go in the center. And the cats are going to go around the sentiment. And then like I said, I will use this for the inside. I love Mew and the kitty paw prints in maybe the little fish, and of course on the back I will put hand stamped by. This will be going to my cousin who rescues cats down in Southern California. And I wanted to show you this. I thought it was really cute. Can you see the wag marks, the wiggle marks that is also cut out by the die, because the cat is looking up at the little dragonfly slash butterfly. And I think that's really cute. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use my Tombow. I finally got smart and labeled when I put the new replacement in. So this card is 5x7. So the piece, the paper, and see, it's used up already. Okay, so I'm going to go to this one. Okay, starting over. This is 5x7, so I cut this 5 3/4. Let's see, actually it's more like 6.5, 5 by 6.5. So I cut 4 3/4 by 6 1/4. Okay, this is going to go in the middle. I'm going to pop up all the cats. So I'm going to lay this down flat. Right in the center. Or as close as I can get it. Okay. Now comes the fun of figuring out where I want to put everything. And I did color with the Wink Stella and also for the cat. Or I mean the fish, I'm sorry. The fish. I certainly won't make you sit through me agonizing over where to put everything. But it was fun, mixing, matching, seeing what fit where. And then I'm going to show you just one of my foam taping. So I won't make you sit through that either. Now I have foam tape, the big foam tape, and I also have the mini dimensionals. cut this one in half so it'll go on the end of the tail there. Then I will use the mini dimensionals for the insects. Let's just call it insects. Now, take little paw prints. Put these on the inside in brown, and we will go ahead and use I Love Mew. In black. These are brand new stamps, but I'm using VersaFine Black Onyx. Has a very good reputation. So give it time. There we go. Perfect. So I had to admit I was stressing a little bit because, as I often do, I do the front before I stamp the inside. But I lucked out. Now, I'm going to use brown for the little paw prints, and I'll put some on either side. Okay. Double checking. Okay. There we go. Cats are like potato chips. You can never have just one. I love Mew. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. And please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.